I'm on Screencast-O-Matic. I haven't used this in 2 years. And look, Facecam worked. So, okay, we're doing design it on Roblox. I want to try to do, like, old games, like, other games, besides just Fortnite and all that. I want to go back to the way, like, I just uploaded any kind of video, didn't care. I didn't just upload Fortnite, okay? Shiny. That's terrible. That's terrible. Where is something? It has to load. And yeah, guys, it's been such a long time since I showed my face. I'm grown up. I'm grown up since the last time I played Roblox. I'm all grown up, boys. I can't find anything, so I'm just gonna go with this. It looks terrible, but I don't care. Last round was shiny. What? It makes sense. Feels good. Feels good. And also, I'll do reaction videos again. I will do that again. I'll do reaction videos again. Yeah. I want to do what I back then. And also, I'm gonna switch this like the way it used to be, where it just my desk was just facing this. Actually, I have two desks. This is not the old same desk. That over there is. I know you can't see it, but like, yeah, I'm gonna switch those out, and then like I'm gonna make it the way it is. But the thing is, my bed right there, so that's gonna be a problem. But it is shorter, so hopefully I can bring it in more so someone can go through it. So yeah. Play some music, guys. Okay, let's see who won. I could have played Murder Mystery too. Yeah. It's been such a long time. Okay. I look terrible. I had dry lips. Royalty. Okay. This is Design It, also called as exposing myself to spelling. Let me there that I haven't tried before. Okay. Uh, I think I might have won. Yeah. I'm guessing this person's from, England? Okay. Okay, I guess my face cam went, isn't on. Something happened, okay. I can't, where is the stop button for recording? It isn't showing up. See, like, someone with Screencast-O-Matic, there's always something wrong with it. There's always this kind of glitch that always messes it up. You can even tell in some videos I made back then when I used it. There's something always that, like, messed up with it. Okay, now it's working. But I can't. I can move my mouse. What? See, like, here's the thing. Like, I do this stuff. It's glitch. It's glitch. I can't do anything. I can't even go into the thing. Yo, this is glitch. Well, I didn't get it. Okay. I can't do anything, so I can't play. So, I guess I guess I have to end the video. Well, at least nothing. I didn't do anything good here. So, but at least you got to see my face again. And, yeah, I'm gonna use screencast again. OBS is too confusing for me, so I don't know that. So, yeah. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Please subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.